Okay, today we are going to learn a light. Okay, so let's start. What is light? So light is a form of energy which enables us to see an object. Yes or no? So definition you can just note down. It is a form of energy. It is a form of energy which enables us to see an object. So that is light. Okay, one question may be asked, when can we see an object? Okay, when we are able to see this pen? The answer is whenever light falls on the object and after reflection it should reach to our eyes. Yes or no? Then only we can see the object. Okay, fine. In this light, children, there are few concepts you should know. What is a ray of light? What is beam of light? Okay. So first is what a ray of light. We talk about a ray of light. So when we talk about ray of light, it is a concept which indicates the direction of propagation of light. Okay, if it is like this means light is traveling in this direction. If it is like this means light is traveling in this direction. If it is like this means light is traveling in this direction. Yes or no? So that is a ray of light. Ray of light is a concept which indicates the direction of propagation of light. Okay, next we talk about a beam of light. What is beam of light? Beam of light is a group of light ray. What is beam of light? A group of light rays is called as beam of light. What is beam of light? A group of light ray. So there are three types of beam of light. One is parallel beam of light. Okay, if the light ray is not emitting at any point, so these are what a parallel beam of light. Yes or no? Second one is what a convergent beam of light. Convergent means if the light ray is actually emitting at a point. Okay, so we can see this is the convergent beam of light. Okay, so we can see these are the convergent beam of light. Okay, yes or no? This is what a convergent beam of light. Okay, now so light ray is emitting at a point. And third one is what a divergent beam of light. Okay, third one is what a divergent beam of light. Divergent beam of light. Divergent means if light rays appear to meet at a point. Okay, so we can show the divergent beam of light like this. One light ray is going here, one light ray is going here, one light ray is going here. So if you produce it backward, it will meet. Okay, is it clear? What is this? This is divergent beam of light. So there are three types of light rays. Okay, parallel beam of light ray. A beam of light is of three types: parallel, convergent and divergent. Is it clear? Next, we talk about reflection of light. Okay, so let's talk about the reflection of light. When we talk about reflection of light, the phenomenon of bouncing back of light ray after striking a solid surface is called as reflection of light. Whenever light falls on a solid surface, let's take this is a plane mirror. Okay, this is a plane mirror, and one light is falling on this plane mirror, so it is bouncing back. Okay, so this phenomenon of bouncing, see this is the light ray AB. Let's say this is A, B, this is B, and BC is what a reflected ray. The light ray which is striking the surface, it is called as incident ray. What is called as incident ray, which bounces back from the surface. Okay, this is called as what a reflected ray. Reflected ray. Okay, this is a point B. B point is what a point of incidence. What is this? Point of incidence. Okay, if you draw a 90-degree line, BN, so this is called as what a normal. What is called as normal. Okay, so what is reflection of light? The phenomenon of bouncing back of light ray after striking a solid surface is called as reflection of light. Okay, understood? They may ask you define reflection of light and mention its two laws. There are two laws also. Okay, so let's see. two laws of reflection. Two laws of reflection. Okay, first law is what? The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. Okay, it means if light is falling on this is one plane, it is falling here, so it will come bounce back from this plane only. This is one plane, this is another plane. So the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie on the same plane at the point of incidence. Okay, see, one more thing you should remember, the angle made by incident ray and the normal, this is called as angle of incidence. The angle made by reflected ray and the normal, it is called as angle of reflection. Okay, what is angle I? It is what? Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. What is angle R? Angle R is nothing but angle of reflection. So first law and second law. First law is, what is first law? The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. And second law is what? The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, this question may be asked for 2 to 3 marks. Is it clear? Okay. Next, we talk about types of image. Try to understand types of image. Generally, there are two types of image. One is the real image, other is virtual image. Okay. See, a real image is an image which can be obtained on the screen. Yes or no? What is real image? The image which can be obtained on the screen. Virtual image is the image which cannot be obtained on the screen. कौन है जी? जंग कॉलेज छोड़ो.